Ladies and gentlemen, you are now rocking with the KingIndeed. You are.
Leave it on the man. You gotta... This is what happens, man. My boss, GMF boss, on the road with the kid, this little rich gang tour, right? My man Nucky holding a light.
The white guy.
Wait, where's Nucky?
The white guy.
Yeah. This guy, we call him GMF boss, aka the Symphony, because this man plays all types of tunes, all types of instruments. What are you about to go to sleep? And all you have to do is listen. The KingIndeed. He actually ain't too bad. That's not bad compared to how he usually is. Wait for it. Wait for it.